Hello guys, I'm Jamal and this is English for All. Today we are going to focus on the difference between while and during. Actually, while and during have the same meaning, but the grammar is different. Okay? While and during have the same meaning, but the grammar is different. I'll start now talking about while. While is followed by a clause. By the word clause I mean subject and a verb. So a clause is a subject and a verb. You can notice that in the following example. While I was studying yesterday night, someone pushed the door. While I was studying yesterday night, someone pushed the door. So you notice here that after while we have a clause. Okay? I was studying. Here we have a clause. You need to know that after while we can also use ing form. Okay? After while we can also use ing form. While studying yesterday night, someone pushed the door. While studying yesterday night, someone pushed the door. During, however, has different grammar. Yeah, it has the same meaning, but the grammar is different. During is not followed by a clause, it's followed by a noun phrase. Okay? So it's not followed by a clause, it's followed by a noun phrase. Noun phrase means that no verb here. When you use a noun phrase, you don't need to use a verb here. Okay? You can notice that in the following example. During yesterday night, someone pushed the door. While and during have the same meaning, but the grammar is different. Okay? They have the same meaning, but the grammar is different. Well guys, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon with a new video.